Hello, in front of me I've got Nissan Qashqai. In this video I'll show you how to activate glide typing. Thanks to glide typing, you can, for example in map, type via finger like this. To enable this function, let's go to Settings and System, Language and Input, Keyboard, glide typing, and switch this button. Next, you can show gesture trail for this function and manage gesture cursor control. If you found this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.